morning, everybody. How are you? Just out for a morning bike ride. Just wanted to say hello. Excited about this week. We had some good participation last week. Looking to bump that up a little bit. We're gonna require this week that you have 2 visits with each teacher from 1 to 3, just to touch base, to make sure you're on track with your assignments and whatnot. Make sure you find out if you have any questions. I am basically going to be doing videos out in nature, projects I'm working on. So you'll see those. Pretty lightweight content, but helpful. Keep your mind engaged. One positive thing that happened is that we have covered all the cell biology, a good bit about the genetics. And so now we're going to be looking at ecology, some specific plants, talking about how the proteins that we've studied, how they're made. And now we're going to look at some of the specific uses of proteins and design. So this is one of my favorite parts. I want to encourage you to, good morning. I want to encourage you to have a schedule. Start your day, get dressed for the day. Don't just stay in your pajamas all day. All right. You guys have a great day. Thanks for checking in with me today. Does anyone know the 2 flowering trees that I showed? Extra credit. Post that in the timeline. And let me know that you were here. Say hello, even if you don't know the plants. Put a comment in for today. Thanks a lot. Enjoy yourself.